Good, relax the head, I got you. Good, nice and easy. Good, other side. Good, 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 good. Relax that left shoulder a little bit more. Perfect, good, good, I got you. Drop that right shoulder a little bit. Boom. Whew. What's up, guys? It's your boy Dr. Drew here at Forza Chiropractic. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not seen our page, make sure you subscribe and like. We post content daily, whether it's ASMR, Y-strap, ring dinger, shorts, all that stuff in between. Today I'm here with one of our patients, Javier. He's almost done with his corrective care program. Came in with lower back pain, did a bunch of other therapies before as far as treatments, was getting nowhere, super frustrated, exhausted. He's currently a tattoo artist, so he's literally all day perfecting art, making sure that on people's body he's literally perfect. So it takes a lot of stress, a lot of patience, a lot of being still in periods of time where, again, lengths of 8, 9, 12 hours at a time. So I'm gonna have Javier just tell the viewers a little bit about yourself. Tell them the things that you did before us, the things that, again, when you came in, what we did, what makes us different, and obviously your success here.
All right, what's up, guys? My name's Javier Chavez. To piggyback what Doc said, I am a tattoo artist, also a former athlete. So before finding Doc, I actually went to several chiropractors, back and forth, and then I found Doc, just another chiropractor, you know, tried it out, and actually, what is it, 3 months now?
Yep.
3 months now. The pain is not gone, but it's gone, if that makes sense. And piggyback to what Doc said again, I am a tattoo artist, so I'm always hunched over for many hours in a day. That is a lot of wear and tear on your body. So this is very crucial in maintenance. So
Exactly, yeah. So just to also express a little bit more about what Javi said is obviously we can't change his job or how he does it, right? So with that being said, is we need to make sure that his pelvis is aligned, his spine is perfectly aligned, even though he will be forward flexing consistently for hours on end. That's just how it is in his line of work. But once we get him out of pain, when he's saying, oh, I don't have pain, but I do have pain, that's because of that repetitiveness. So now we're at a current phase where we're gonna be transitioning from corrective care to more maintenance, where we're not gonna need to see him on a weekly basis. And we're super excited to take his x-rays, I believe, next week, and we'll do a comparison and contrast on his old x-rays, new x-rays, and show those objective findings. So again, if you guys are watching this video and haven't seen these videos, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'll also leave a link to Javi's Instagram, his Facebook page, his website, so you guys can take a look at some of his artwork. He does great stuff as well. So make sure you guys shoot him a follow too. And then without further ado, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do a full spine adjustment. All right, guys, first thing we're gonna do is warm up his tissue with our Hypervolt. Shout out to our boys at Hypervolt for hooking us up. Thank you for sponsoring the page. So by doing this, we're just gonna relax that tissue, which we call the paraspinals. Para, obviously parallel to the spine. So paraspinal. Tell the neuroreceptors in there to wake up. Being an athlete, obviously you're gonna have trauma, slips, falls, bangs, bruises, concussions throughout the years. And then when you transition into a more routine basis job, that repetitiveness is just gonna accelerate or aggravate those injuries. So like I said with Javi, he had no success with any other providers. Nobody ever took x-rays, was able to understand what was going on, never had a plan, never had any type of detail or regimen, and no success. So when you put your goals in place and you have targets, that's when you're gonna hit those goals and you can have objective findings like we do here. All right, first thing we're gonna do is stretch out the back here. Then we'll work on the mid back and then adjust his lower back here. So good, deep breath in, all the way out. Perfect, good. Good. Good, I'm gonna have you lay on this side, face me. I'm gonna adjust his lower back. Good, relax the head, I got you. Good, nice and easy. Good, other side. You been drinking enough water today?
no, I'm not gonna lie.
That's okay. Good, relax the head. Good, 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 good. On your back. Good, I'm gonna have you come up for me. Swing your legs to the left. We're gonna adjust Javi's neck. Seated. Nice. So what I'm doing, guys, is motion palpation. I'm just going through each vertebrae side by side, and I'm just feeling the motion in there. So we're gonna adjust this left side here. Good. Relax that left shoulder a little bit more. Perfect, good. I'm gonna adjust this other side here. Good, I got you. Drop that right shoulder a little bit. Boom. Whew.
That was a big one.
Let that set in. Tell the viewers how you feel.
I feel great.
Yeah, so we're super thankful to actually get some relief for Javi. He's been dealing with this for a year. We're super thankful that he's trusting us with his health, and he's actually been super coachable, made his appointments, gotten in and done all the work. So the success is there. You just got to put in the work, guys. Thank you again for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.